students, today I am going to our chapter 5, derivative related our logarithm functions in exercise 5.5. In exercise 5.5 remaining questions students, in 7 we start now. Up to 6 already I explained in the last part. In the 7 questions, log x raised to x plus x raised to log x. So students, we take here one of the u function and one of the v functions, and both one by one calculate individually. So suppose taking here u log x the power dx, and only first function I just start the explanation students. So taking log on both sides with the base e, here also log x to the base e raised to x, and here base x. Now students, this x you take outside the functions. Yes, this x taking outside. So what the remaining? Log u base e same, and here x into log with log x base e. And here you taking the first part and these are taking to second parts, and start the differentiation with respect to easily students, respect to x. Now I start the derivative for these functions. So log u derivative you known, 1 by u derivative du by dx. Here done. And here apply students both product rule. So first d dx of second derivative log with log x base e plus now second function d dx of our first function derivative. Yes. So what you get? 1 by u du by dx. Here x into, here start very carefully students. First of all log function derivative, after that internal log function derivative. So what is the first log function derivative? Yes, it is 1 by log x. Now internal log x derivative 1 upon x plus here same is log with log x base e. And what is x derivative respect to x? It is simply 1. Now this u multiply upside and x cancel. So finally done, du by dx u into 1 upon log x base e plus log with the log x base e same is. Finally done students, I just putting the value for u. So du by dx, u I have known this value, so log x the x power as it is, and remaining are 1 by log x base e plus log with the log x base e as it is. And here you highlight students, it is statement number 1. Now I just start for v function. What is your v function now? Yes, x raised to log x base e. And same is start taking log on both sides, log v base e, log with base e x the power log x is same as. Students, here also same thinking. This log x according to functions our property take outside. So log v base e, here log x to the base e same into this internal log x to the base e as it is. Here students, you take either whole square, either as it is, and apply our product rule. So differentiation with respect to x now, and one by one start our derivative. So you get the derivative one by one. So what the derivative for log v derivative? 1 by v derivative dv by dx. And here apply our product rule. You making either square also true, students. I taking first, second derivative. Now first derivative, second as it is, Indirectly it is same. So I write down it is a 2 times. So 1 by v dv by dx as it is, and log x base e. Students, what is derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. Same here. Here derivative is a 1 by x. Finally this one and this one, it get 2 times. So 1 by v dv by dx 2 times 1 upon x into log x base e. Now this v you carry forward upper side. So v into 2 into log x by x. Now students, this v value I just applying in this functions. So dv by dx, it is what? V, it is a x raised to log x base e into 2 into log x base e upon x, and this equation, students, I take out, it is statement number 2, and here you done for your again half sum. Now I finally moving to your last answer. So what the question again? Related you question, students. Now you start our final value and putting this equation 1 and this equation 2. So now what do you get? Question? Yes, question is a log x the power dx plus v is also x raised to log x. One more time I check it is true or not questions. Yes, log x the raised to x and x raised to log x. So y is equal to u plus v, and here students dy by dx, you get just du by dx plus dv by dx, and here mention differentiation with respect to x related. Now students, this du by dx, it means this value already I written here. So just write down these equations. Here dy by dx and plus dv by dx is this one. It is x raised to log x base e into 2 into log x base e upon x, and here done our this solution, students. So it is a 3 marks questions. I hope you understood in the 2 criteria, one of the u level and one of the v level. Yes. Now I slowly move ahead. Next questions. Now students, I going to next question number 8. Question is there, y is equal to sin x raised to x plus sin inverse root x. So this also same. Here suggestion to u and here suggestion to v, and both functions one by one. Students, I start in this solution wise. So first of all I start our functions to u side and after that to v sides. So just start. Suppose u is equal to sin x the x power, taking log on both sides, because base and power both of the variable. Yes. So property same. This x you take out outside according to property log u base e. Here x into log of sin x to the base e, and these are the one and these are the second. Both apply. Now property related to derivative. Differentiation with respect to x. So what is the log u derivative? 1 by u derivative du by dx, and here apply first ddx of second function plus second ddx of first function, and apply to between is only product rule. So 1 by u du by dx same. Now here start actual your formula. Log derivative first, 1 by sine. Now sine derivative, yes, it is cos x, and this answer is your one part is done. And students, here after that is derivative, I going to log of sine x same. And what is the x derivative respect to x? It is 1. So these are you known, students. How when it is cos by sine cot? So du by dx. You take upper side, this u. And here x into cot x plus log of sine x to the base e. And now putting value for u. So du by dx. This value, students, I only and only apply that. So value of u, students, what is the u? Sin x, the x power. And here same is x into cot x log of sin x to the base e. And here getting your statement number first done, students. This u ready. Now I slowly start for v side. Similarly, okay, now students, your v value is this. So now what the v? Sine inverse root x. Here not apply taking logarithm on both sides. It is simple function. Differentiation with respect to x. So dv by dx. And here derivative for 1 by 1 I taking the chain rule, students. Yes, dv by dx same. And what is the sine inverse derivative? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Yes. And what is the x? X is root x. And derivative for pending, root x is as it is. Because I taking for sine inverse function derivative, after that root x derivative. So finally finished. What is dv by dx? 1 by under root 1 minus x. And start for root x derivative. I hope you know root x derivative. Yes. 1 by 2 root x. And both value you just multiply inside. Root x into 1, it is x. And root x into root x, it is under root the same root of x square. And here, students, I stop there. Statement number 2. Now finally I moving our original question. What is original question? Sin x the power x plus sin inverse root x. Here already you taking u plus v and differentiation with respect to x. So what you get? dy by dx, du by dx plus dv by dx. And both value, equation 1 and equation 2, students, I happily putting here. So dy by dx, my first answer is that sin x the x power into x into cot x plus log with sin x to the base e and plus dv by dx is this 1 upon 2 under root x minus x square. And here, students, you get the final answer for this numericals. I hope you understood. Today almost all numerical are big in 3 marks questions and all are the same pattern. Okay? Yes. Now next one. Now students, after ending these sums, I go to one more interesting questions. Question is there 9. Y is equal to x raised to sin x. And second, sin x raised to cos x. Similarly, taking here u and here taking v. So suppose same you taking u, one of the sin x power. And second, v function, after that I explain you. In the first of all u. So taking log on both side with base e. So x raised to sin x. And this sin x, students, you take out the outside. So what you get? Log u base e. Here sin x similarly into log x base e. And now start differentiation with respect to, yes, respect to x. So what the derivative of log u? 1 by u. And u derivative, yes, du by dx. And here apply, students, our product rule. So product rule is a first, second derivative plus second, first derivative ddx of sin x. These are same as. Now 1 by u du by dx as it is mentioned. And now students, slowly just you think about the derivative of log x. What is log x derivative? 1 by x. Same, log x base e. Now sin x derivative, this also known, it is cos x. So this u taking upper side, du by dx, u into sin x by x plus cos x with log x base e as it is. Now students, you putting the value for u and easily done for your u side derivative. After that I start v function. So here u value already you know, so I just put down du by dx. What is the u? X raised to sin x. Another as it is, sin x by x plus cos x into log x base e. And here students, ending for your first case. Yes, only you putting. Now I start v sin x the power cos x, and here applying to basic again log function taking, and easily done. Now students, here taking log on both side to property level raised to cos x base e, and same property this cos x take the root sides, so log v base e. Here cos x into log with sin x, and now start again same derivative with respect to x. So differentiation with respect to x. So what you get? Log v derivative 1 by v, v derivative dv by dx, and here apply first, second function derivative log of sin x plus second first derivative ddx of what the first functions? Yes, it is cos x. Again repeat, first second derivative plus second first derivative. So 1 by v dv by dx, here cos x as it is. Now slowly first this log derivative, after that sin derivative. So 1 by sin. Now what is sin derivative? It is cos x plus log sin x same base e. And now what is cos derivative? Yes, it is minus sin x. So finally here cos and cos, you multiply cos square, either you take out this value is a cot x. So dv by dx v into cos x into cot x. Students, I again repeat you also making cos square same, and 1 upon sin cos x square x. The both are the same answers, and minus sin x into log of sin x base e as it is. Now putting value for v. So what is the answer finally? dv by dx, v is a done, sin x raised to cos x already, and other is answer cos x into cot x. Yes, minus sin x into log of sin x base e, and here taking statement number 2. Now students, I going ahead to finally our solutions. So what are your questions related your value? This your question, students. So now these are questions. Here already I assume that u and v, so y is equal to u plus v, and differentiation with respect to what? With respect to x. And here finally I then to dy by dx, which is du by dx plus dv by dx. So you just putting the value du by dx, this equation 1, and second du by dx is this. So my value is x raised to sin x. Sin x by x plus cos x into log x base e. And plus now dv by dx, it means this answer. Yes. So sin x the power cos x and into other same cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin x to the base e. And here finally students, you've done and this answer over. Yes students, this also getting you 3 marks questions. Now I'm going to next one. Now students, after ending these questions, I move ahead slowly. Question number 10. Question is there, y is equal to x raised to x into cos x and plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Students, same explanations. Here taking u and here taking v. And both applying by individual derivative. So, suppose first of all u I start x raised to x into cos x, taking log on both sides. So here log of base e x raised to power x into cos x, same as. Now students, this both functions you take outside. So what you get? Log u base e. Here x into cos x into log x base e. Actually here students, 3 different functions. You not apply a chain rule. It is not a composition functions. It is a different all 3. So I apply product rule. So differentiation with respect to x. So what you log u derivative? 1 by u derivative du by dx. And here start our product rule. First derivative d dx with x. Other same is. Students, 3 functions related product rule. Now first second derivative and third function same is. Only derivative of second functions. And last one the first and second same. d dx of third function derivative. One more time repeat. Students, here product rule, first derivative, last 2 as it is. Now first and third as it is, second derivative. And first and second as it is, third derivative. So what you getting? 1 by u du by dx. And here x respect to x derivative known. It is only 1. Other same is cos x into log x plus. Now here criteria. Cos x derivative. So x into minus sin x. Log x same. And finally log x derivative. So x into cos x. What is log x derivative? Yes, it's the 1 by x. And here x and x happily you easily cancel out the remaining values. I just write down with du by dx. So finally, what is the du by dx? U into this value cos x into log x base e minus x into sin x into log x base e and plus cos x as it is. Finally students, this and this and this same. Now I putting the value of u. What is the u? So du by dx. My value is x raised to x into cos x and other is as it is. So cos x into log x base e minus x into sin x into log x base e and plus cos x. Students, here done our first equation and only first case is finished. Now I go to v. For v start x square plus 1 x square minus 1. I hope you know it is a division rule. U by v rule. Yes. So direct start. differentiation with respect to x. It is dv by dx, and here applying students our division rule. So dv by dx same is, and you know that what is division rule? Yes, in denominator square, the denominator functions. Now denominator d dx of numerator minus, now numerator d dx of denominator. These are our two simple u by v rule, I mean division rule. Again repeat, in denominator square, denominator numerator derivative minus numerator denominator derivative, and this value easily understood students in these solutions. It means you get the total dv by dx. What the value? X square minus 1 same. Yes, what is derivative of x square plus 1? 2x. 1 derivative 0, and that are the first value. Now minus x square plus 1. Here derivative students 2x. 1 derivative 0 upon. Here nothing do as it is. So dv by dx. I think you take out the common outside 2x. 2x common. What is remaining? X square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 upon. Same as, because this minus I multiply inside and simple change. So what you get finally? This cancel, dv by dx. 2x with minus 2 upon same. So your answer is minus 4x by x square minus 1 whole square, and statement number 2. Now students, finally I move ahead my question, and your question is what is question? X raised to x into cos x plus v, also you know, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now it is u plus v. Now start differentiation with respect to x. What you get? Dy by dx? Yes, du by dx plus dv by dx. Finally, du by dx is your equation 1. dv by dx is your equation 2. And value put it happily and done questions. So this answer I just operate x raised to x into cos x. And continue cos x into log x. Base e minus x into sin x log x. Base e plus cos x. This value for first equations. And last of the continue plus of minus 4x upon x square minus 1 the whole square. Yes students, you are getting the final answer for this one. You are happily done our this question students. And now question number 10 done here students. Now students, after ending I complete this part. I hope you written all formula daily. Before starting this part, you write down one time, at least one time, without seeing the formula list, and you write down one time in your rough notebook, and after that start that type all parts. Yes students, we have done our today's study. Further explanation for this exercise I explain you in the next part. Bye bye. See you.